Diamond core drill bits are widely used in various industries such as construction, geology, mining, and exploration. These bits are used to drill holes in hard materials such as concrete, asphalt, rock, and other tough materials. Our partner factory specializes in manufacturing high-quality diamond core drill bits that are reliable and efficient. During our field trip to the factory in March, we got a chance to witness the production process and learn more about the features and benefits of these drill bits. The manufacturing process of diamond core drill bits involves several steps that require precision and accuracy. The first step is selecting the right diamond grade and size for the bit. The diamonds are carefully selected and inspected for quality before being used in the production process. The next step is the design and production of the bit's matrix. The matrix is the metal layer that holds the diamonds in place and helps in cutting through the material. The matrix is made of various materials such as bronze, steel, and other alloys. The selection of the matrix material depends on the type of material to be drilled and the drilling conditions. Once the matrix is ready, the diamonds are carefully placed and embedded in it using high-pressure technology. The matrix and diamonds are then treated with a special coating that helps in increasing the durability and performance of the drill bit. The production of diamond core drill bits requires strict quality control measures to ensure that each bit meets the required standards. The factory uses advanced testing equipment to check the performance and quality of each bit. The bits are tested for their cutting speed, durability, and accuracy. Only the bits that meet the required standards are shipped to customers. In conclusion, diamond core drill bits are an essential tool for various industries that require drilling through hard materials. Our partner factory specializes in manufacturing high-quality diamond core drill bits that offer superior performance, durability, and efficiency. During our field trip to the factory, we witnessed the production process and learned more about the features and benefits of these drill bits. We're confident that our partnership with this factory will enable us to provide our customers with the best quality diamond core drill bits that meet their drilling needs.